Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these super easy scrunchies. I made some in different colors and I really love how they are. They are really nice to use and better than the normal hair ties. You just need hair ties, crochet hook, some yarn. You can use any kind of yarn and a matching hook for your project. So first we're going to start off with a slip knot. And then you're going to grab your hair tie and you're going to go around it like so. Grab the yarn, pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So we're just gonna make some single crochets around the hair tie. You can also grab the yarn tail and crochet over it so you don't have to weave in the ends afterwards. So you're gonna try and fit as many single crochets around your hair tie as you can. And just continue like this. And crochet until you reach the end of the beginning of the hair tie. Then when you're done, you're just gonna make a slip knot in the first single crochet that you made, like so, and I'm gonna chain up 2, and then I'm gonna do 3 double crochets in each stitch. You can also do 2 double crochets, but I used 3. I made 3 with this one. And in each stitch, you're just gonna do 3 double crochets and repeat this all the way around. You can also do 2 double crochets, depends how
shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover.
much you want it to like fold. When you're done, you're just gonna cut the yarn. And then instead of doing a slip stitch in the first stitch, I'm just pulling up my hook here. So I'm gonna show you how to make a nice finish. So grab your tapestry needle. And then go through the first double crochet that you made. You go through both loops, kind of like so, or both V's. Now you go behind and back through the last stitch to the back loop only, and you're gonna pull carefully here. So this is how to get a nice finish. And now you're just gonna weave in your ends. So I'm just showing you quick how to weave in the end as well. So this was a very quick and easy tutorial. I hope that you liked it. I will be back with something new, hopefully next Sunday. So please subscribe and hit the bell. I wish you a nice day. Goodbye.